welcome back to my channel. I'm Morgan Monet. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my entire Louis Vuitton collection, and that's including my handbags and my SLGs. If this is your first time clicking or watching any of my videos, thank you so much for just picking me. YouTube is massive and I really do appreciate it. I create videos around luxury accessories such as designer handbags, designer wallets, and then from time to time I like to sprinkle in a few skincare videos. I also believe that it is so important for us to normalize the idea of luxury in our everyday life. So if you believe that as well, you should definitely join my Luxe family by subscribing and hitting the red button below. Also, you should hit the bell icon so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. But okay, you guys, let's get into this video. So when planning for this video, I was like, what's gonna make the most sense? Like, how are you gonna get through these handbags? And I decided that I'm going to start off with my oldest Louis Vuitton purchase and then go all the way up to my newest Louis Vuitton purchase, and then also tell you guys what's one thing that I like about the bag or wallet, and then also give you one thing that I hate or dislike about the bag or wallet. So enough rambling, let's jump into the first item, and it is my Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the MM size, and this bag is in the Damier Azur canvas with the beautiful rose ballerine interior. And oh my gosh, you guys, this was my first Louis Vuitton purchase. It started the obsession with luxury handbags. I can definitely link that video both above and below. But you guys, I absolutely love this bag for the simple fact that it has a beautiful pink interior, and for the fact that it has patinaed like beautifully over the past, oh my gosh, 4 years. So that's the thing that I love about it. What I hate about it is that it's not large enough for me to travel with. I typically use this bag maybe on the weekends or if I just want a true tote bag, but this bag in this specific size is not conducive for me when I'm traveling. It's just too small. Up next, we have my Louis Vuitton Speedy 30 in the Damier Ebene canvas. And one of the things that I love about this bag is the fact that it is a classic. It is iconic to the Louis Vuitton fashion house. Whenever you think, or whenever most people think Louis Vuitton, they think of the Speedy or they think of the Neverfull. But this is their most iconic handbag and I love it. One of the things that I hate about it is I didn't buy it with the added bandolier strap, and sometimes only having it as a top handle option becomes annoying and frustrating, especially when I really do pack this bag. So I'm looking into getting another Speedy with the bandolier strap, but I still haven't decided on what type of canvas material I want. So if you guys have any suggestions, definitely let me know down below, because I don't know which one I want, so you guys can definitely help me out in that regard. Okay, you guys, so switching it up a little, we have my Louis Vuitton FELICIE Pochette, and this is in the beautiful vernis leather and the magenta color. Oh my gosh, the camera doesn't even do it justice. I think like right now, that's what the actual color really looks like, but it is truly like a beautiful patent leather type of bag. And what I can say that I love the most about this is that it came with 2 other small leather goods. So there's literally like this zip pouch where you can easily fit like bills or cash in it, and then it also comes with like this card holder with slots on the front and then also like a pocket in the back. So that's what I could definitely say is like my favorite when it comes to this bag, is definitely the small leather goods. But what I hate is that it is one of my dressier handbags, so, or crossbody bags, and so I don't often reach for it as much as I would like to, just because in my day-to-day outfits I feel like it's sometimes too much, and that's coming from me, but I still love it. And anytime I'm going out or have a special occasion, I honestly always reach for this bag. Now I'm going to show you guys my Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder, and I have this in the Monogram canvas in the brown interior option. And you guys, I don't leave the house without this. I mean, I physically can't, or literally can't, because if I leave my house without my keys, I'm not gonna be able to get back inside. But I just think that this is like one of the smartest designs that anybody could have ever come up with. It literally holds my life. And I also love the fact that there's a flap in the back where you can literally fit like your debit card or some extra cash. I like to keep cash back here just in case something happens and I need like some quick bills. There really isn't anything that I hate about this, but if I had to pick, I guess it's that this front button, and you may not be able to see it on camera, but the front button has gotten scratched over the years, and that is really bothersome just because this Louis Vuitton SLGs really aren't really that inexpensive. But I guess that's kind of frustrating to know that the button has gotten a little scratched, but that's the only thing that I really hate about it. Now to show you one of my big kahunas, as I like to think of it, my Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the GM size in the Damier Ebene canvas with the beautiful, oh my gosh you guys, red interior. Now I am a pink girl. I love pink all day every day, but this bag with this red interior is gorgeous to me. Like you can't get anything better than this. One of the things that I love about this bag is that it is perfect for work and perfect for travel. It's massive, and that you can like cinch in the sides to make this bag smaller if you wanted. And I also love the fact I got this bag in Paris last year, and I just loved that entire experience of going to the Louis Vuitton boutique over in France. Just overall best experience of my life. But what I hate about this bag is because you can fit so much stuff in it, it can get a little heavy from time to time, and where the straps don't necessarily like dig into my shoulder, this bag just can become heavy, and that becomes annoying. And when you're carrying it through the airport, or when you're carrying it through the office, or trying to get to your desk and you have like your laptop, files, wallet, all that stuff in it, it's heavy. So another item that I was able to purchase while I was in France was my Louis Vuitton Sarah wallet in the Monogram canvas, and I've also done a full review on this wallet as well, which I can link both above and below. But I love the fact that this wallet fits so much stuff. Like it has, I think it has like 16 card compartments. It can fit your checkbook, cash, coins, like there's a zipper pocket up here. So that's really the thing that I love about it. I guess what I hate is that I can't fit my cell phone in it. Like it would be amazing if this was just a little bit bigger for me to be able to also fit my cell phone in it, but hey, can't have everything. I also love the fact that it has this back pocket, but I think that this is an amazing wallet, and I would highly recommend it to anybody who's looking to get a long wallet from the fashion house. Now I'm gonna show you guys my Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis in the Monogram canvas. And you guys, I love this bag for the mere fact that it holds so much, and it is one of my favorite crossbody bags because it's so casual, but sometimes like you can dress it up. So if I want to have on like maybe a cute sweater and some boots and some like leather leggings, this bag can go with it. But if I also have on like a t-shirt and some jeans, goes with that as well. So it's so versatile, and it has this pocket in the back, which is very easy for me to like slip my cell phone in, so it's like easy access for my phone. So definitely one of my favorite things about it. And I did an in-depth like review on this bag as well, which I can link both above and below. But that would have to be what I love about it. What I hate is that this like front metal piece is so easy to scratch, you guys. I think within like the first 2 weeks of me getting this bag, I scratched the front piece of this and I literally almost had a panic attack. Like, I remember it, I was walking into the office at work, scratched it on the door, and I was like, I just scratched my bag and there's nothing I can do about it. The next wallet that I wanted to show you guys is my Louis Vuitton Zippy wallet in the Damier Ebene canvas. And one of the things that I love about this wallet is the fact that it's so easy to get in and out of. I mean, literally, it just like zips open. And the fact that it can hold about 12 credit cards, maybe a little bit more, cash, and your checkbook. But I would have to say that the thing that I hate about it is very similar to what I hate with my Sarah wallet, and it's that it doesn't hold my cell phone. So I've contemplated getting the Zippy in the organizer size, which is a little bit bigger than this, and that way I could like truly carry this as a clutch and be able to carry it with my cell phone. Showing you guys my last Louis Vuitton wallet, and that is my baby. Her name, she is the Victorine wallet, and I have it in the Monogram canvas. And I would have to say the thing that I love about this wallet is the fact that it is a compact wallet, and it's so, I just think it's so cute. So it can literally fit cards, it can fit cash, it can fit coins. But what's annoying, or the thing that I hate about it, is the fact that because I have so many like credit cards or debit cards, sometimes it becomes frustrating or cumbersome to be able to fit coins in this front pocket. And then also if you have like a ton of cash in the back, it can become a little challenging to button this guy close. But the fact that it is a compact wallet and fits in majority of like my smaller crossbody bags or handbags, that is a major win for me with this wallet. Okay, you guys, so for the last item, what's the saying, last but certainly not least, it is my Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch in the 26 centimeter size. And I've also done a full review on this guy as well, which as always, I'll link it both above and below. But with this guy, I love the fact that it's so versatile. So it's a toiletry pouch, which means that the inside of it is lined with a coated material so that if you have anything in it and it spills, it's easy to clean. And then I also love that you can literally carry this as a clutch. Like if you're looking at it right now, it does not look like a toiletry pouch. I could easily like put this under my arm, and it's so cute. It fits in my larger bags as like a catch-all. So love that about it. I guess there really isn't anything that I hate about this bag, but if I had to pick something, it would definitely be the fact that I am going to have to buy an insert to go on the inside of this bag that comes with a chain so that I can use this bag in a crossbody format. So kind of a stretch, but hey, that's really the only thing I hate about this SLG. Okay, you guys, so that's the end of my video. I really do hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, comment down below, tell me which bags you loved, which bags you hated. Oh, and then also please give me your advice on which type of Speedy 30 bandolier I should get, because I don't know which canvas option to choose from. So let me know your thoughts down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.